And we got a big show for you guys over here if you can see it. Can you get up in there? So that's what we got going up in the show, guys. We got 3 boards. I don't know if you can see that one all the way in the back, but you got 3 boards going up. I don't know how many shots, but it's got to be close to 1,000, man. All right, I'm going to step back. I want a big shout out to KJ Estacado. Big shout out to you. Big shout out to JD. Pyro. Got a little delay. It's nice, guys. Happy New Year. Zach's Pyrotechnic. Like, subscribe, share, comment. Like, subscribe, share, comment. Happy New Year! 2020 out of here. How you like it, guys? How you like it? Me and my best friend did this. Fused this all up. First time, man. First time. We got the plot twist right there. What's up, all my Pyros? 2021. Man, that's more. Yeah. Woo! Happy New Year! How do you guys like the show? Woo! Happy New Year, everybody! Shout out to War Eagle Pyro Z71. Shout out to Benjamin. Golden Pyro. Hashtag 86. Shout out to Fireworks TV. Shout out to Manic Pyro! Pyromanic Boom! Shout out to everybody that subscribed to me. I don't know all your guys' name off by heart. KJSSA, you inspired me, man. War Eagle Pyro G71. I hope you like what you got in your box. I hope you got it today. Woo! She's a hitter! She's a hitter! First time ever fusing up a kickboard. We fused up 3 of them, guys. How do you like it? You like that? Zach's Pyrotechnics. Like, subscribe, and share. Me and my best friend fused this kickboard up. Shout out to him. He don't want to be named. Much love to him, man. Yeah! We love you! But we're walking them in 2021. Zach's Pyrotechnics. Like, subscribe, share. Zach's Pyrotechnics out.